Hey, what's up guys? So here I have is a fingerprint trigger lock. So basically your finger is the key. So it's pretty nice, a bit heavy, but the technology on it, very smooth and nice, no issues. So let me tell you a little bit about it. Full charge can open up to 2,500 times. 10 fingerprints set. Micro emergency charging port, 0.5 second unlock, and you have a spare key to unlock if your fingerprint is not working. So a little more detail. It's in the back. This is FLD17 black. Tell you, you got 10 fingerprints, so you can do different fingers or you can do somebody else's, up to you. Okay, let's get it open. Okay, once you open it up, you get a little card. Tell you to scan it, etc. So you get a user. So make sure you read this because it's going to tell you how to program your fingers and how to program other ones. So I tell you exactly what to do and how to do it and how to authorize other users. And it shows you how to delete. Okay, so it comes just like this. You have your spare keys, you have your trigger lock, and you have a USB charger. Kind of hard to get out. Oh, it's really in there. Okay, so you have one of these chargers. So you get 2 keys and the fingerprint trigger lock. Very nice, charge right there. You can see that this is your fingerprint. This is the emergency key. Okay, I did program my finger already. So press it down, turn blue, it opens up. Once you put it in, lock it in, doesn't come off. You come again. As you can see, you can do another finger. It will show you red. Okay, only the finger that you did. There you go. Open, close it again. One more time. For your finger. Guess you got to put it just right. Lock it in. There you go. Lock it in. There you go. So it works good. Just make sure you, when you do your fingerprints, just push down pretty good the way you did it. See, now no issues. So perfectly fine. So what happens if your fingerprint don't work? You do have an emergency key. Put your key in and it opens. Lock it, turn the key. So hey, your fingerprint ain't working, you got a scratch or something, you come, put the key in, and it opens up. So that is pretty cool. So otherwise, you can use your fingerprint. It's very nice. So pretty much recommend it. It's very nice. It works very well. Thanks for watching.